Okay, lawn fans, you ready? So, nobody's lawn is perfect. Nobody's. Even the big YouTube guys that you guys see and they show their nice, pretty sharp stripes and their green grass, their yard's not perfect. There are things that are wrong with their yards. Everybody's yard's got something wrong with it. My yard's got something wrong with it. So, or it's got several things wrong with it. So I'm gonna take you on a little tour here today. I'm gonna show you. So this is my first season real mowing. And I'm kind of learning it as I go. I'm going to show you, and I don't know if you can see right here, this is a turnaround point where I come through and I do my stripes. Turn around right here. I'm letting off the clutch lever, pulling the drive wheel up, but I'm still getting, when I'm digging into the ground there, and I'm digging into the ground right here. I don't know if you can see that, but that's one issue with my yard. So let's go down here to the water meters. And as some of you know, I did a video here, I guess in the spring. The water company put in a second water line to make my water bill go down so I can water more. They jacked the whole yard up. I'll see if I got a picture here that I can put in and show you guys. But anyways, here's my other issue. That's not level yet. The ground is settled some. I need to come back in here and put some sand on it. Right now is the most opportune time to do it because the grass is growing like crazy right now. So I need to get in here. I need to level that up. What I'm trying to do is let the grass grow over a couple of these meters so it won't look like I've got a checkerboard of utility boxes out here or water meter covers down through here. Hot spots and where I'm turning around with my reel mower again and I'm digging into the yard. Even though I'm lifting that drive wheel up, I'm doing something wrong. I'm gonna have to watch some videos to see what I can do right on it. But anyways, localized hot spots, and this is even after doing hydrotane, CK, some other stuff. So I got to get out here. I got to get this taken care of. I'm going to drench it, spray it, and put some more applications on it. Again, right here. That's definitely dry spot. There's probably some building debris from the road up underneath there. And so what I need to do is drench this, put some moisture manager on it, and get it taken care of. But that's definitely drying out right there, and it eventually will probably require me digging down in there and removing the construction debris or whatever's up underneath there. I know that there's a slate rock ledge up underneath all of this. Again, this area has had no type of fertilizer the entire year, and she's hanging on pretty good. Up here at the putting green, it is 3:30 in the afternoon, so you get a true glimpse of what it looks like. Up there it's nice and level. It's looking good. But right here is another issue I got. Water drains down through there. I've tried to divert it. I've tried to do everything I possibly can. Still got issues. I just recently put some Scott's lawn soil in there. I'm going to come back. I'm going to try to raise this up with sand. This will be the putting area right through here. But I'm going to have to do something right there. That's another issue I got. So here's a look at the yard after giving her a cut. Hey, let's go over here to landscaping. Show you some issues over here to landscaping. So, chlorosis or something's getting a hold of one of my gardenias right here. And I've tried giving it some microgreen, some other stuff. It looks like it may be making a rebound right now, but there's an issue with that. This all needs to be repine strawed. These daylilies need some nitrogen or something on them there because they're turning yellow. Let's see what else we can show you here. Over here, I guess this is more of a good than a bad. Again, this is my area that I've done nothing to but one fertilizer. It's got nothing else. These were bad areas. If you look, 2 cars can fit in here. When somebody comes, normally they'll pull over the edge of the concrete and rest their car right there, and it killed the grass off. I've kept them off it this year and it's filling in. I did some work on my live edging. I threw the dirt out from the from the border right here. It's got Bermuda mixed all in it, and I'm going to see how this does right here. This is kind of a test I'm going to do, and so I'm going to hit it with some micros and see if it does take off there. But you can see at 3:30 in the day right now, it doesn't get any sun. So this is more likely going to have a border come in here and then fescue planted down to that railroad tie right there. And then I think I'm gonna do some type of gravel in that area down there. So I tell you all this, and I took you on that tour because nobody has a perfect yard. Nobody does. It's impossible to have a perfect yard. Now you may say, like right now, I think my yard looks really good. And I'll get a lot of people that'll say to me, hey, I wish my yard would look like that. But believe me, I can go through here. I'll look right here. Tire marks going down from me cutting in my border and cutting down. I need to do some leveling right there. There are all sorts of things wrong with people's yards. So don't get frustrated and discouraged. If you see some guys on YouTube, Instagram, whatever, social media, and you see their yards and you're like, damn, I wish my yard was like that. Because those same guys, they may or they may not be willing to go on video and say, hey, look, these are all my problems. And I've noticed a trend here lately where some guys they're saying, hey, look, these are some of the issues that I have with my yard. And I love to see those kind of videos. We don't see enough of them because we learn by other people's mistakes. We don't learn by somebody showing their yard and saying, look how awesome my yard is. You don't learn anything by that. But if somebody says, hey, look at this issue I've got right here, I don't know how to prevent this or how to get my reel mower to quit doing that, they get online, they look it up, then they come back and they do another video and they say, hey, this is how I fix that. And you learn from that. So that's basically all I wanted to say in this video. Learn by other people's mistakes. Don't believe any hype that because there's the latest and the greatest product out there that turns somebody's yard green that you're doing something wrong, because that's not right. There is no magic pill, no magic button that you can press to get a nice yard. It's just hard work. Water it, mow it, keep your blade sharp. That's it. So if there's any point in this video, don't believe that there's a magic pill for anything, and don't believe that there is a perfect yard out there. Keep doing what you're doing and learn from other people's mistakes. Y'all take care. Bermuda Brian out.